Thank you very much, and I look forward to your reply. Thank you.
Yes, it is totally a customer order.
At Bono Hair, we take pride in working alongside our clients, restoring not just hair but also confidence and happiness. In 2023, we reached remarkable milestones. Our unwavering dedication to excellence has never been more evident. This year, we expanded our portfolio, providing a wide array of choices for every individual need. Our commitment to reliability and quality ensures that every order, no matter its size, meets the highest standards of satisfaction. As pioneers in sustainable hair restoration, we went the extra mile to reducing our environmental impact. "2023 has been a year of growth, innovation, and meaningful contributions. As we look to 2024, we are excited to continue our path, fostering beauty, confidence, and a sustainable future. Thank you for being an essential part of our 2023 journey. Together, we are more than just a hair system factory. We are creators of joy and agents of positive transformation.